I think it's been a long time since I have uploaded any video. Not that long, but 2 weeks or 3 weeks maybe. Today I am. Last time I shared that I am learning Canva and I shared all the lessons that I have learned with you guys on my channel. Right now I am learning this tool, Microsoft Whiteboard. To be honest, I was so curious about this tool as it was somewhere in my laptop, but I didn't know how to use it. Recently, I am working on Microsoft Visio and Microsoft Project as well. So, yes, it's fun to do that. So, let's see what will be the final product of this. You can look forward to it as I am looking forward to it as well. We can edit all of these details. We can edit the font size, the style, everything that we want according to our own needs. And this is the white paper template that it has suggested me. Board name. What can be the board name as well? Okay, recently we are learning boards in software engineering. I know it's a pretty beginners thing for many seniors, but it's new for me. Uh, this is the perfect name for me whenever I'm trying something new. Syncing your latest whiteboards. Okay. These are being synced on my like my account, not saved in my desktop yet. Whiteboard tips. Okay, we are looking for the whiteboard tips. Right click on empty space in the canvas to quickly add notes or text. Check out the brand new. Oh, I missed it. Use the share button to invite others to collaborate. Okay, got it. Move objects behind other objects with Control Shift that side. Move objects in front of other objects with Control. This is more like Canva, I feel like. But I guess I can work on it without internet too. But okay. We will wait for it. Hold the spacebar while in select mode to move around. Okay. Yes, we have got this. And what we can do is zoom it in. The pixels are not going anywhere. What is this for? We can react to our own. Okay, that's great. I'm learning more things. So, what I'm trying to say is keep learning and keep exploring.